Hey everyone! Welcome back to Myri's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this beautiful look submitted by one of my Instagram followers. So as usual, we're going to be starting off with clear jelly tips and applying a base coat to all of the nails. After curing that, we're going to get started with the first set of nails. So as you saw in the picture, there are 3 nails that are exactly the same. So I'm going to be mixing in the green color that I'm going to be using because I needed a custom color. And then I'm going to be going in with this beautiful red polish by Cassie. I kind of free-handed the lines here. I'm going to be adding glitter later on, so it didn't really matter if the line was completely straight between the 2 colors or not. After curing that, we're going to be going in with a second coat. And then we're gonna go in with the beautiful custom green color that I made. This was the closest thing I could get to the color she chose. Also, this color turned out really opaque, and I had to go in with two coats as well. Applying that to all of the nails and then curing that. And then we're gonna go in with a second coat of the same color. Afterwards, we're gonna pick any black polish of your choice, and we're gonna go in and paint the ring finger black. Cure that and apply a second layer of the black polish. And then we're gonna pick up our detailer brush, any white polish of your choice, and we're gonna start painting the little snowman she drew. So drawing a snowman is surprisingly easy. All you have to do is make a small circle and then below that a bigger circle. As you can see, I'm just really eyeballing it. After you do that, go ahead and give it a cure. And then we're gonna pick up the same red color that we used in the beginning, and we're going to give our snowman a little scarf and a little hat. As you can see, it turned out pretty cute, so I'm gonna cure that as well now. And then you're going to pick up the same black polish that we used for the base of the nail, and we're going to give him little eyeballs and buttons. Then we're going to pick up a silver color, and with that we're going to add some shading and details onto the hat and the scarf. After that, we're gonna move on to the pointer finger, and I didn't want to leave it as a clear base in the background, so I decided to go with this very beautiful glitter. So on top of that, we're gonna add a matte top coat because it will help us draw the little tree easier, and then we're gonna go back into the custom color and start drawing the tree. Now this was surprisingly difficult. You know, behind camera it actually took me a couple tries to get it, like, make the design a little better, because I never drew a tree like this before, but I got the hang of it and I decided to bring it closer so you guys can see exactly how I did the design. So all I'm doing now is just adding more color on the border to make it a little bit bigger, and then with the exact same color I'm just going to do a little bit of shading on the inside, and then I'm going to take this beautiful glitter by Quick Gel and add it to the entire tree. After that, as you can see, it turned out pretty cute. I'm gonna be taking this spider gel and I'm going to be doing a little bit of an outline on the tree. Now you can see it's very simple. I didn't really try to make it very thick or anything, just very thin, just a little bit of a shade so you can see where the outline ends. Here it is. So after curing that, we're gonna go in with a little decorations, and for those I'm gonna be using these colors. I think these are called bubbles with an A, bubbles. I'm not a native English speaker, so I'm just kind of lost sometimes with the words. So yeah, after adding those, we're gonna go in with a yellow color by Cassie, and we're gonna be drawing the beautiful star on the top of the tree. Have you guys decorated for Christmas yet? I know it's so close, but I literally decorated like 4 days ago. So here it is. It looks pretty cute. Now I'm going to be making a little bit of a brown color. As you can see, I'm just mixing in some colors together and creating an outline of the star. Just for a little bit of shading. If you don't want to do it, you really don't have to. And after curing that, that is it for the beautiful tree. Now I'm going to be taking some silver and adding some more details on the little, around the snowman rather. I thought it was a bit plain and the black by itself was a little bit, I don't know, kind of dark. So then I'm going to be taking this beautiful sequin gel, again another word I can't pronounce. And I'm going to be covering the line between the two colors as I told you earlier. So this is both to add some color to it and some shine because I love anything that blings. And also to hide that messy line that I made. And of course it's bling time! I'm just going to be using a dry top coat, applying it onto the nail, and then choosing those beautiful white little rhinestones and adding them just below that line onto the red color. I don't know, they just kind of reminded me of snow and I thought they went really well. I'm doing the exact same thing for the thumb. After that, you're just going to go ahead with the top coat, and this is the part where Mari forgot to add a nose to the snowman. So yeah, after curing all of them, you are pretty much done. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye!